In today's video, I'm gonna give you a lot more information about vitamin A. I'm gonna give you what are the main symptoms that you have vitamin A deficiency, a lot more information what exactly vitamin A doing in our body. Vitamin A prevents night blindness and other eye problems, as well as some kind of skin disorders such as acne. It enhances immunity, may help to heal gastrointestinal ulcers, and it's needed for maintaining and repair or epithelial tissue, of which the skin and mucous membrane are composed. It is important in the formation of the bones and the teeth, aids in the fat storage and protects against colds, flu, and infections of the kidney, bladder, lungs, and the mucous membranes. Vitamin A acts as an antioxidant, helps to protect the cell against cancer and other diseases, and is necessary for the new cell growth. When you take vitamin A regularly, it's gonna help you a lot, especially with your eyes, also with your heart function. If you want to prevent high blood pressure or any kind of heart problems, vitamin A is gonna help you a lot. It also slows down the aging process. The body cannot utilize protein without vitamin A. Vitamin A is a well-known wrinkle eliminator. Applied topically in the form of retinol, the active ingredients in retinol and Renova, vitamin A reduce the fine lines on the skin and help you, especially if you have aged skin spots on any kind of visible problems with your skin. What are the symptoms that you have vitamin A deficiency? A deficiency of vitamin A can cause dry hair or skin, dryness of the conjunctiva and cornea, poor growth, and or night blindness. Other possible results of vitamin A deficiency include abscesses in the ears, insomnia, fatigue, reproductive difficulties, sinusitis, pneumonia, frequent colds and other respiratory infections, skin disorders, including acne. Also, one on the maybe a bit strange symptom of vitamin A deficiency is going to be weight loss. So this is the main symptom of vitamin A deficiency. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. If you want my help, call my office, Mario Lab Center, in Zagreb, Croatia, on the phone number of plus 385 98 917 9200, or visit my website mariolab.hr. Right now, for all the part of the world, I'll be working on special natural treatments and nutrition that can help you cure your diseases. If you want to learn a lot more about the vitamin D deficiency, watch video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.